I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on Discord Mobile in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I'm gonna show you different methods you can use to fix your microphone and use it on voice calls on Discord Mobile. So the first method I'm going to show you is going to settings. This is probably the most important one. Go to your applications, go to Discord, and once you are here you need to make sure on permissions you have given Discord the microphone permissions, so enable it, and now Discord should be able to detect your microphone. Once we have done that, let's go back to Discord again, and if it's still not working you can go to the settings. To do that, just go to the bottom right, click on your profile, go to the settings at the top right, and then once you are here, scroll down and you will see voice. So the input mode should be in voice activity. So this way it will automatically detect your voice, because if you have it as push to talk, you will have to press an icon when you want to talk. So let's set it as voice activity. Then if it's not working, you can disable this option and scroll this down, decrease this option down, or you can try enabling it if it was not working. Then the output volume, if it's too loud, then people can't hear you, so I recommend you to increase it depending on your microphone. So just keep testing this feature until you find what works good for you. Another thing you can do is disable the noise suppression. So if it's giving you problems, just disable it and try if that works fine for you. And the last options we are gonna see are those three options. So you can disable them if your microphone is not working. As you can see, turning this off might help if your voice is not being detected by the automatic input sensitivity. So just disable this option, and yeah, do the same thing with these three options and see if that works. And the last recommendation I'm going to give you is to make sure you are not muted. So go to the voice chat, join the voice, and here make sure you are not muted by pressing this icon right here. So if it looks like this, then you are muted, but if it's like this, then people should be able to hear you. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.